Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about the difference between a gene and DNA and chromatin and chromosomes. So basically, let's start with the DNA. DNA is basically a double helical structure which is also the genetic material in a cell. And DNA also contains certain base pairs and is basically present in the nucleus and is also the genetic material of the cell. And let's talk about the gene. So gene is basically a part of a DNA which will code for a certain trait or a certain protein. For example, skin color, eye color is all because of the gene present that codes for the certain skin color or the hair color in a body of an individual. And now let's talk about a chromatin. So chromatin is also present in a nucleus. Because the DNA is such a huge molecule, which is a double helical structure and a huge molecule, it cannot be fit in a small nucleus in a cell. So in order to fit the DNA in a nucleus, the DNA is condensed and the DNA is wrapped around a positively charged histone protein. So, and the DNA is basically negatively charged, so it gets attracted to the positively charged histone protein, and it is wrapped around this histone protein. So the DNA gets wrapped around the histone protein and forms a fiber-like kind of a structure, which is known as a chromatin fiber, and the DNA is present in the nucleus in the form of a chromatin. So the DNA is basically present in the nucleus in the form of chromatin fibers. And now these chromatin fibers are not suitable during the cell division. When the cell has to transfer the genetic material to another cell during the cell division, these chromatin fibers are more condensed. They become more condensed and form a structure like these. And these structures are known as chromosomes. So basically, a chromosome is a more condensed form of a chromatin, and it contains all the genetic material or the DNA inside it. So it can easily transfer the genetic material during the cell division. So these are all the basic difference between a gene and DNA and chromatin and chromosomes. If you have any doubts, you can ask them in the comment section.